Recording in progress.
Students in the online and offline, good evening. Girls, good evening. Come in, ma. So, students in the online, am I audible to you? So now we'll go for, I hope in the last session, some of the students are continuously speaking. You are speaking. I'm observing from there. After coming to the class, read the notes. Continuously talking. You are saying something, I hope so. Read. You also. You looked at me, right? Read the notes. You also speaking in the phone. Correct? After coming to the class, read the notes. If you want to speak, stay outside and speak and come to the class after that. Right? Open the notes. Last class we started with what operator? Ternary operator we discussed. Have you practiced it, students? Practiced down? Got it? So look at that. This is syntax of it, very important operator. Programming. Variable name. Expression 1 if test condition, else expression 2. Here if else are called keywords and test condition can be either true or what? False. How the execution process is. If the result of the test condition is true, PVM executes expression 1 whose result will be placed in a variable name. Variable name. If the test condition is false, PVM executes expression 2 and whose result placed in variable name. So either expression 1 or expression 2 is executing and keeping the result into the left side variable. And at the same time, students, I already explained to you yesterday only, some the flowchart also explained. So the entry is coming to where now, students? Test condition. If test condition is true, what is happening? Same thing is written in the diagrammatic format. If it is false, this is happening here. I hope you are following, guys. Now, so I hope yesterday we did one program, students. So do you remember that program? Done the example also? Done the example? Practiced it? Practiced it or not? And why you are maintaining silence, students? Close it. Shall open 6 p.m. operators. Under that, this is the one we discussed already. 2 examples we did already in the class. Okay? Write down. Open the notes. Write down. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Which will accept 3 integer values. Which will accept 3 integer values. Which will accept 3 integer values. And find the biggest. And find the biggest. And find the biggest among them. Among them. And check for the equality. And check for the equality. And check for the equality by using ternary operator. By using ternary operator. By using ternary operator. See, students. Now I'll go for this type of example. Important, students. Important. Now I will take it. Now I'll say big 3 example. Big 3 example 1.py. So coming to the point of it, So expect more number of programs from my class. If more number of programs, if I teach, if you don't practice it, you will not like to come to the class. Because programs are very important in your individual career. If you don't do programming, only theory, if you learn it, there is no use at all. So programming is most important. Program for accepting three values. Program for accepting three values. And find biggest among them. And check for what? Check for equality. Check for equality. Okay. So now I'm going to write the coding now. Let's start with the coding here. A is equal to int of, it's very important logic is coming. Carefully understand. Enter value of A. Enter value of A. Next is what here? Value of B. Three values I'm accepting, students. Value of C, guys. C I'm taking. Now I'm writing logic for big among what? Big among three. Tell me what the value of A first of all? 100. Value of B I'm saying 50. And the value of C is called some 40. So how do you decide when three things are there? How do you say A is big? How you say A is big? A is big in the case of what? A greater than B and what? A greater than C. Then only A is bigger. Correct? What is the value of A, guys, here? 100. 100 greater than 50. True. And next is what? 100 greater than what? 40. 100 greater than 40. Also called what? True. True and true is what? True. That time what is becoming bigger? A. You have to observe carefully how I am explaining. Like that you have to practice after going to home. Okay. Now tell me, what is the B bigger condition, guys? B greater than what? Come on. A and B greater than what? C. That time B is called what? Bigger. Okay. Now C bigger, please. C greater than A and C greater than B. Then that is called C bigger. How many conditions are there? 3 conditions are there. So, but actually with the ternary operator, we will specify what? Expression 1 and expression 2. Here expression 1, what I will write? A bigger condition. Expression 2, I will write what? B bigger condition. Expression 3, expression 4 also I want to write. Expression 3 is for what? C bigger. Expression 4, I will write equality. Right or not? Come on now, say. Come on, big value is equal to A, good. Come on. A, very good. A greater than, very good. And A greater than, very nice. Good. What is the value of A? 1 minute more. I will trace it here itself. What is the value of A? 100. What is the value of B? What is the value of C? Tell me. 100 greater than 50. True. 100 greater than 40. True and true. True. If test condition is true, it will take expression 1 or not. What is the expression 1? A kept into where? Left side variable. What is the BV now? Big value? 100. Okay, now? Now I will take one more thing. A 100, B 500, C is called 40. Tell me now. 100 greater than 500. False means where it will go? Else part I will go. Very good. What I will write now? B. I should write B. Come on. If B greater than A and C and B greater than C. Start. What is the B value here? 500 greater than 100. True. 500 greater than 40. Also true. True and true is called what? What is the value taken? B. B value kept in where? Right. Next, I'll take one more. Suppose C is called 4000. C is called 4000. Start. 100 greater than 500. Once it is false means it will not go to this place or not. It will go to which area else. Again, if is there. 500 greater than A. 500 greater than 100. If you say false, take your bag and go to home now. 500 greater than 100. True. Still, if you don't know true and false means why you suitable student? Very well suitable. 500 greater than 100 is true. And next is called what? 500 greater than 4000. One true and one false. Where it will go? False. False means where it will go? Else. Else means what is the bigger? C. Come on. If C greater than A and C greater than B. Very good. Come on. What is the C? 4000 greater than 100. True. True. And 4000 greater than 500. Also true. True and true. True means what is the value? C will be kept in where? Huh? Right, good. Up to here I will write it. After that, what I will write it? Else, what I will write it? All values are equal. But one difficulty will come, student. I will explain that after understanding this first part of the subject. Now, big of A value, comma B value, comma C value is equal to big value. Dot format of what, ma? A comma B comma C comma big value. Are you following me? Yes. Start running, students. Big 3 example 1.py. See, students, 100, say some 50, and next say 40. That is a bigger condition. Are you following? Happy. Result is good. Now next I will go for it. One more thing. I am going to say here, students, 100. Next for B bigger condition I am talking, and this is 40. What is the bigger one? 500. No problem. Next I will write one more here. See, students, 100 and 500 and then 4000 I am saying. What is the answer now? 4000 is the correct answer. Very good. Up to here, okay. Everybody got it. Now my question will start. 10, 10, and next is what? 10. First, trace it out. All values will come okay. But instead of that, before that, try to improve your intelligence thinking power. That is how it will come, by tracing the statements. See, students, to become an intelligent programmer, one thing you remember, try to have the tracing power. What is the value of A here? 10, 10, 10. 10 greater than 10. False means and operator, it will go to else or not. Come on, it is going. 10 greater than 10. Also going to where? Else. What is this now? C. 10 greater than 10. It will go to where? All values are what? Equal. Okay, now? Very nice. Up to here, all of them are clear. Is all of them are clear? Now I can say that this is over, I can say. But the most intelligent programmer will think like this. Take care. Now I am entering, see the part of it. 10 I am saying, 10 I am saying, 20 I am saying, 20 no, 5 I will say. What is the bigger one? Here A and B values equality I am checking, B and C equality I am checking, A and C equality also I am checking. This is a great logic. Tell me, 10, 10, 5. Now trace out the program. What is the A greater than B? False. False means come to where? Else. Again, what is the B greater than A? False. Go to where? Else. C greater than A? False. Going to where? Else part. What is the answer is coming? All values are equal. Is it right or wrong? Wrong. So are you finding this extra intelligent or not? Then how to do it? What is the bigger among them? Either A or B is the bigger. Either A or B is the bigger. Are you following me? How to do this? How to do this? Either A or B is the bigger. I will write it A greater than or equal to B. I am changing the condition here. A greater than or equal to B. Then what is happening? Now run the code. I just made A greater than or equal to B. 10 and 10 and I say 5. Start here, students. A greater than or equal to B. 10 greater than or equal to 10. True. And 10 greater than 5. Who is saying continuously wrong there? Huh? You are. Come here. No problem. But once we say some mistake, we need to rectify, student. No problem. No problem. Don't feel it. Because if you sit with me, you will correct it. Don't worry. Start. 10 greater than accepting is also one important. Is good student. So Hindi student, right? Hindi. That I know that. Telugu student, you say, are you? No, I am not backside. They are genuine. Really. And the Telugu students, I'm seeing from morning to evening, 7 o'clock, I'm seeing all my students. Anybody says false, who is that? If I ask backside, who is there? Nobody is there. He's saying, who is that? He's saying, sir, I am. That is genuinity. No problem. Start. But once we do mistake, we have to correct it. 10 greater than or equal to 10. True. Next, 10 greater than 5. True. That means what is becoming true and true is called true. What is this now? A. That is A is going to kept in where? That's it. Other part will not execute. So biggest is what? 10. Are you getting me? Right. Next I will start. Take care, students. 10, 20, 10 to and 10 I am taking. 10 to 10. What is the value? Come on, everybody. 10 greater than or equal to 2. Girls, who is that? So 10 greater than or equal to 2. True. True. Come on. 10 greater than 10. False. False means coming to where? Else. Now, come on. 2 greater than 10. False. 2 greater than 10. Also false. Go to where? Else. Come on now. 10 greater than 10. False. False means it will not go. It will go to where? But is it all values are correct is correct? No. That means either A or C is bigger or not. That too. How do you do that correction? C greater than or equal to A. C greater than or equal to A. Are you following me? Okay. Start running now. I'll say 10. I'll say 2. I'll say 10. Are you following me? 10 is coming. Able to get my point? Right. Next I'm going to see A and B equality checking. A and C equality checking. Now I'm checking with what? 10, 20 and 20 also I'm checking. B and C equality also I'm checking. Start guys. 10 greater than or equal to 20. False. Go to where? Else. 20 greater than A. 20 greater than 10. True. 20 greater than 20. False. Go to this place. E4. What is this now? 20 greater than or equal to 10. C. 20 greater than or 20 greater than 20. 1 true and 1 false. Go to where? All values are equal. But are the all values are equal? No. What should I do now? I should take care. B greater than or equal to C, I need to take care. Are you following me? So run this now. See students. Now I'm going to say 10, 20 and 20. So 20 is a bigger or not? Now you take last and the final running. See how many ways are there to tell the logics. 10 and 10. All 10s I entered. Start students. Quickly. 10 greater than or equal to 10. 10 greater than or equal to 10. True. 10 greater than or equal to 10. 10 greater than 10 is only false. But equality is there or not? That's why it is called what? True. True. 10 greater than 10. False. And operator go to where? Another if part. B greater than A. 10 greater than 10. False. 10 greater than or equal to 10. 1 false and 1 true. False. Go to where? Else part. 10 greater than or equal to 10. True. 10 greater than 10. False. True or false? Go to where all values are equal. See students, preparing logics are very important. Understand? These logics will not come by buttifying. You have to understand and you have to prepare. Did you understand? Right. Online students, did you understand, my dear students, this logic? Because once you get a logic, if you practice multiple times on your own, that logic you will not forget in the next life. Right? Open the notes. Write a Python program. I'll give it as a homework for you students. This is what I did. You do one example by yourself. Write a Python program which will accept three integer values. Which will accept three integer values. Which will accept three integer values. And find the smallest. And find the smallest. And find the smallest among them. And find the smallest among them. And find the smallest among them by using ternary operator. By using ternary operator. By using ternary operator. Will you do it, students? Okay. Now, I want to tell you most powerful logic compared to this. Shall I go for it now? Right. Look at students. I'll go for one more example, students. Because even if I skip one example, you will suffer further because I am going to deal with a lot of examples for you. Big 3 example 2. Big 3 example 3.py. So I'm going to take up the another logic here. Look at. Here I'm writing same question will be carried. Same question will be carried, students. Now follow me. See, if you look at, this is the logic what we did, right? This is the logic what we did, right? Here also, I will take same thing I will carry, students. See that what is the best logic I am going to write it. Best logic I am going to write it. Here, logic for big among what? 3. What is the condition is written here? What is the condition is written? A greater than or equal to B and A greater than C. Today I want to write it without AND operator. I want to write it. Without AND operator, I want to write it. Without AND operator, I want to write it. How to write without AND operator? I am going to make you to understand in the class. Okay, now take this part. What is the first one I am taking? You study this. Carefully study. A greater than or equal to B. And what? A greater than what? C. So this I want to write without AND operator in a shortcut process. First you take A. What is the nature of A when A want to say bigger? A must be greater than or equal to B. Same thing, I will reverse it. Reversing means what I will write? A greater than or equal to what I am writing? B. Study this now. Study. If I write it in this way, it is going to become A greater than or equal to B or not. So I am writing in other order. Are you following me? First see the A and read it. What is this? How do you read it? A greater than or equal to B. And next is what? A greater than what? C. If you don't understand, you feel that our talent is like that, what you can do? If you are talented, try to understand. Are you following me? What is this? A greater than or equal to B and A greater than C. That I am writing in a shortcut. Are you okay? A greater than or equal to B, you reverse it. That is B less than or equal to A. That is A greater. And A greater what? C. So I will write it. Shall I write now? Tell me how do you write it? B less than or equal to A greater than C. Okay. Online students. Now you think about it, students. You think about it. No issue at all. First you write what? B you are writing bigger or not? B must be what? Greater than what? A. And C you study. Greater than or equal to what? C. Don't ask me at the end of the class, sir. I explain again. Online students, please take care about students. Beginning only I am saying with most patiently. So now see here. A less than B, B greater than or equal to what? C. Are you able to understand how to rewrite this? Now, tell me how do you write it now? A less than B, B greater than or equal to C. Okay. Now C related kind of thing. How do you write it? C, I am talking about it. A less than or equal to C. And C greater than what? B. Did you understand? Right. Tell me, students. A less than or equal to C. Greater than what? B. That's all. That's all. Now print the same answer. Print the same answer. Right, students? Run this code. Big example 3. Say 100 and say 200 and say 300. Big is what? 300. C is the bigger one. First I took it. Next I will run it once again, mom. 100, 200 and some 50 and some 50. Second is the biggest. Getting or not? 200. One more time I will test it. 100, 10 or 20 and 10. What is the biggest one? 100. That is individual values bigger. Next I am going to take up 10, 10, 4. What is the bigger? 10 is a bigger. Next I will talk about 100, 20, 100. 100 is the bigger. A and C checked, A and B checked. Now 100, 200 and 200. B and C checked. B and C checked. Now I am going to check with what? 100, 100, 100. What is this now? All values are equal. So running this many times means I am testing in all test cases. In real time, when a code is applying, they will they will make your program to run with different test cases. Are you following me? So these many ways you need to think and write the code. Got it now? Right. Understanding? Now open the notes. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will accept. Write a Python program which will accept a word, which will accept a word, which will accept a word and decide whether it is palindrome or not. Decide whether it is palindrome or not. Palindrome. Have you heard about it? Palindrome. Palindrome or not. What is the meaning of palindrome, students? Original word is equal to reversed word. Literal. What is the opposite to literal? Literal. Mom. Opposite to dad. NAN. Race car. Same. Race car ante meer race car, nen race car cheppakoodu. Race car. Palindrome ani cheppali. Next is called what? Malayalam. Come on. Palindrome. Madam. Come on. Right. 1221. Right. Your car number. Your car number. I am writing something like this. I am writing your car number. What is this? Palindrome. Are you following? Like this, we need to take it. When I write Python here, is it a palindrome? No. Shall we do it? Because they are all hacker ranking examples. Let's go to the coding. So class work, homework, student work, teacher work. Teacher work. No. Homework not doing. Only coming to the class. So one day I want to conduct a student, teacher, parent meeting. I want to conduct. Girls are the first people to fear. Right? No problem, students. That much time is not there. So now come on to the point of it. PALINDROME, palindrome example.py. See, students, I don't conduct, don't fear, come to the class daily. Now, start. What should I accept? Word I need to accept or not? Come on. Word is equal to input of, enter a word. Enter a word. Enter a word. Okay. you are getting the word. Maybe integer type or string type or whatever it is, I'm taking in the form of string only. Okay. Using what operator I need to do? Ternary operator. Tell me, what is that result? RES is equal to palindroma, not palindroma, I will write it. Palindrome in the case of what? Word is equal to reversed word. First you need to know reversed logic. Do you know that? So I am writing, my dear student, you almost forget that reversed part. Palindrome is my result if word double equal to word of colon -1. Colon -1. Naveen Kumar, take care, mom. Word is equal to word of colon -1. Because of word is equal to word colon -1 will give you what? Original word is equal to what? Reversed word. Else, if it is not becoming, what should I write it? Not palindrome, I will write it. So, dear students, you must read the notes, my dear students. I am expressing my views. 6 o'clock students are maybe very much freshers, I hope. You must read the notes. Don't be like academic students. You must read the notes, then only you have to come. Actually, in all the batches, the moment when I come to the palindrome, reverse is equal to original word. They will tell this logic immediately. This logic I want. If this is true, what will happen? This will be happening. If it is, this is in the case of true. In the case of false, what is happening? Not palindrome will be taken. Are you able to follow? Now, I'll print here what? Come on. I say is like this, I'll write it. Dot format of word comma what? RES. Word comma RES. That's all, over. Run this code. Now see here, I am entering literal. What is the word here? Literal. What is the word substituted here? Literal. Reverse of literal is also literal is equal to literal. True. True means what? What will be taken? Expression 1 kept into where? RES. And it printed or not? What is the word? Literal is palindrome. You will get the answer. Press this now. Literal is what? Palindrome. You run once again here. Python, I will write it. Python reverse is called what? Different. Word Python substituted reverse of Python. Python is equal to reverse of Python, same, huh? False means what is the answer? Not palindrome is an answer. Are you getting? So this is about, next you enter one numeric number, 8558. 8558. It is the string I am taking actually. String reverse is also called the same thing, will be coming or not? What is the answer now? 8558 is what? Palindrome. Run once again, students. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 is not a palindrome. By reverse of 1, 2, 3, 4 is 4, 3, 2, 1, which is not equal. Else part is coming. Are you understanding? So, like this, one can enter. So, I will enter like this. I am entering Malayalam. I just said this. It is also called what? Palindrome. Are you getting me? Right. In further, lot of complicated examples will come, students. And in daily, what is the Sunday I am explaining? Is a continuous Sunday. Even your course is completing, still so many Sundays will come in your entire career. As long as you are in my Google Drive class, I will keep the Google Drive link every Saturday morning or Saturday evening, so that Sunday morning you can attend the problem solving approaches. Right? So you can send it to your friends also, provided that friend must know Python. Without knowing Python, if they understand Python, they can't understand anything. They will get headache by listening that class. So first they must know about what? Python. Tomorrow class, I'll keep that address, link address I will keep. Click on that and then you will get the things. Okay? Right. And by wake up at 8 o'clock, if we try to enter into that, only 1000 students link only, that is. Only 1000 students over. Even 1001 student will not be joining in that. So try to join so early in the class. So coming to, because I announced all my 5 batches. Minimum, each batch will contain 500 students. Here almost 309 students, at least 50, 150, 175 is there. And it is in this batch only 450 will be coming minimum. 450 you remove 200 people. At least 250 people will come. And morning batches, all working professionals will be there. They will compulsory attend. 9 o'clock also, 11 o'clock also. Friends also will be there. So try to join early and try to understand the class. Shall we go for one more? Write down. One more you write it. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will accept a numerical integer value. Which will accept a numerical integer value. Which will accept a numerical integer value. Which will accept a numerical integer value and decide whether it is positive or negative or zero. Positive or negative or zero. Positive or negative or zero. How many results? 3 results. 3 results means 3 conditions minimum now. So 3 results means 2 conditions required. Let us start discussing that logic. See, once we are going to do that, you must practice well after going to home. Now I am going to say positive. What is this now? Negative. What is this? 0 dot what? Py. Now I am going to start with. Tell me, n is equal to what? Int of enter any number. Enter any number. Okay. That n can be positive value or what? Negative value or 0 students. How many decisions are there with me? 3. Start from first I will deal with what? Positive. When positive, n is greater than 0. Negative means what? N is less than 0. If both of them know, it is coming to 0 only now. So let's start with RES is equal to, come on, what I am saying? Positive. If n greater than 0, else negative. I am saying that what? Negative. When? If n less than 0, else what is this now? 0. Clear? That's all. See, the way which we are writing is so important. Coming to the point of it. So here, I'll start taking this, print this. See how simple it is. Is like this. Dot format of what? N comma RES. N comma what? RES I will take it. N comma RES I will take it. Tell me students, run this code now. Enter the value. First one is what? 100. Answer is what? 100 greater than 0. True. True means what? Positive will be kept into RES. What is the answer is coming? 100 is positive. Next I will take it minus 49. What is minus 49 greater than 0? False. Next, minus 49 less than 0? Negative. Negative will come. Are you following me? Next, I'll go for one more. What is that now? 0. 0 greater than 0, false. 0 less than 0, false. And later it is going to wait. Last, 0 is 0. Are you following me? This is about which concept? Ternary operator, different logics. Shall I give one homework for you? Write down. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will accept a numerical integer value. And decide whether it is even or odd. Simple example. Decide whether it is even or odd. Simple. Compared to this example, this is very simple example. N percentage to double equal to 0, even. Else, odd. Take it out. 10 percentage 2 is equal to 0. What is the even number? Any number divisible by what? 2. is remainder is 0, that is known as what? Even. If it is not equal to 0, that is called what? So, R is equal to, I will write here even. If, what is this now? N percentage 2 is equal to 0. Else, I'll write what? Odd, I will write it. Odd, I will write it. When I say the problem statement, you are looking something like a new. And by seeing you, I am saying that. Are you getting? So, do that logic. Do that homework and try to go for. This is about which operator, students? Ternary operator this is. Now further, I want to introduce one small topic today. One small topic I want to introduce. Don't expect immediately shorthand operators, and which is a very easy, not a difficult. Don't expect at this moment of it. I'll expect some considerable concept, I will say. Shorthand operator is there, which is a very easy. It's a very small topic. 15 minutes or 15 minutes only it will take, because after 15 minutes, a lot of time is left out. In that last moment, I don't want to introduce the new topic. So in this 1 hour which is left out, I want to introduce one string part 2 I will introduce. String part 2. String part 1 already explained or not? What is the string part 1? Indexing, slicing, something I introduced it. You already remembered syntax 1, syntax 2, syntax 3, 4. Under 4, lot of operations are there. Under that, data types, if you take it, there is a str data type, there is a sequence data type. Under string, memory management, operations on string data, that is, I said you there, it is the part 1. Indexing, slicing, lot of examples I did. Syntax number 1, syntax number 2, sub rules, lot of rules are explained. These things are very, very important in your real time. Syntax number 4, syntax number 5, and those many examples I already explained in the class. So with that, what we discussed to students, we discussed with what? Indexing and slicing. Along with that, I want to go for today, string handling, part 2, I will go for it. Part 2, I will go for it. In further, string handling will be coming once again in decoding and encoding level of example also I will tell you. Charting level, that is called networking level, one more kind of time. Part 2 will come, but there is a little small methods are there. Not big number of methods, small number of methods are there. So, I am going to start this topic. In the beginning only I said 2 parts will be there. Part 1 and part 2. Tell me, on string data, on str data, we can perform both indexing and slicing. Did you remember that operations? Slicing operations. Along with these operations, I'm going to say, along with these operations, we can also perform, along with these operations, we can also perform many operations by using the following predefined functions in which object? str object. Like set object, list object, there are a lot of operations we performed or not. Like that, string handling is also containing lot more operations are there which we can perform it. Shall we start off? Now, what are those functions which are very useful in our real time in my further coding? So I'm going to discuss function by function and you observe it. So like that, lot of functions I'll explain today. Go to the Python command prompt, student once. Go to the Python command prompt, Python 3.10. Now we are entering like this. Take it, carefully observe it. String handling is most important in real time. Take it as what? Python. Yes, print of what? S I am taking. Look at Python is printed. Now this Python, everything is small. When you write in English, I hope you are already aware of it. Any letter starts, anything you are starting with, first letter you'll write in English conventions, you'll write first word, first letter is small, capital or not. So this is known as what? What is that meaning is called? There is a concept called what? Capitalization, and then title case concept is available. So let's start with S dot, carefully follow, capitalize. In S, in str object, there is a function called what? Capitalize. Capitalize. What is capitalize function is doing? See the result of that S, which is containing everything is called what? Python. See that what is happening? Because of that P becomes what? Capital. On string data, in written test of the company, so many questions will come. Those questions to solve most perfectly, these functions are helpful to you. What the capitalize function is doing? Making the first word, first letter as what? Capital. One more example. Look at, I am writing here, Python is an OOP language. Careful. This is called what? One single word. This is known as what? Capitalize. Capitalize. What is happening? Single word, first letter is becoming capital. Whether I is become I capital, A capital, O capital, L capital, or only P capital, you need to observe. Call it as what again? Print the data, print of S, which is going to be printing normally. S dot what again? Capitalize, you see. What is happening? You observe it. Only P is capital in this entire line. Are you following me? So capitalize function is making the entire sentence or entire paragraph, first word, first letter is capital. Some people will get a doubt because these are all regularly asking questions in interviews. After that, I am writing once again, Python is also FUN language, functional language. Now I will print the value called S dot capitalize. I am doing it. It is going to print what? First word, first letter is only capital. Rest of them is not at all becoming like a capital. Are you following me? This is comes under what functionality? Capitalize. Remember now. Next I am going to enter into the another function. What is the first function? You got it? Capitalize. Capitalize. First remember the functionality. What the function will do, you remember it. I will show you the final documentation for you. Next, S is equal to what I am doing? Python. One more function is available. What is that now? Title. What is the function name? Title. S dot title. I am trying to give you the clarity among capitalize and title. S dot title. Also printed like what? Capitalize. S dot capitalize also you see. Is the both of them looking same answer or not? When one word is there, title as well as capitalize, both of them looks what? Same output. Now coming to the next scenario here, Python is an object-oriented programming language. Print S, do S dot capitalize. P becomes only capital, right? Now say that P dot what? S dot title. In the case of title function, each word, first letter becomes what? Capital. What is my each word becoming here? P capital, I capital, A capital, O capital, L capital. So see that P capital and then I capital, A capital, O capital, and then what? L capital. Did you understand? What is the difference between capitalize and title? Title function makes every word of the sentence, first letter is capital. So I am writing here, last and final, HYD is the capital of TS. Print of what? Here S. S dot what? Here capitalize. S dot capitalize. What is the answer printed? HYD H capital. H dot what? S dot what I will do? Title. In case of title, all the words first letters are capital. Are you understanding now? So go to the function called what? Title. Title. Title of. Understand? Next. Third function. Third function. I'll show the description of it. I'll show the description. First, you understand the functionality. Next function I am going to introduce. Yes, sir, dot. Most useful functionalities these are. Now I am taking PYTHON. What did you understand in that? First three letters are so screen problem on the if you look at, if problem is there, you look at, I can't do anything with the screen. Screen cut అయిపోతుంది అక్కడ. ఇది బ్లర్ వస్తుంది ఇక్కడ. రెండు ప్రొజెక్టర్స్ ప్రాబ్లం ఉంది. ఇక్కడ చూడు ఒకసారి. ఇక్కడ చూడు. ఇది ఓకే, ఇది నాట్ ఓకే. When you go to this place, this is okay, this is not okay. What is okay? What is okay? So, see, wherever okay, then you make it okay. Which is okay? That's right. Subject is important. Now, today, please cooperate. S is equal to Python. You make it okay. S is equal to what? Python. What did you understand about that? First three letters are capital, next three letters are small. Now I want to go for swap case. What is meant by swap case? PYT should become small, HON should become capital. That is called a swap case. Spell out. Print of what here? Yes. Yes dot function name is called what? Swap case. What is an answer now? PYT is small, PYT is small, PYT is small, and see that. So coming to the point back here, coming to the back, PYT is small, HON capital. What is this meaning is called? Swap case. One more. PYTHON. ON. Print of S. What is this now? Swap case. Very regularly asking question. Write a Python program which will swap the case of a string. You will be getting. See that. Capital P becomes what? Small. Small y becomes capital Y. Capital T becomes small t. Small h becomes capital H. Capital O becomes small o. N will become what? Small n becomes what? Capital N. What is this mechanism called? Swap case. Are you getting me? What is the function name? Swap case. One more example. Many examples I'll give you. What is this now? Python. Python is in where? Small. Python is in small. S. S dot what? Okay. మళ్ళీ అవసరం వచ్చినప్పుడు పిలుస్తాం. So coming to the point back, S is equal to what? Python. Print yes. S dot what again? Swap case. Swap case. What is the swap case will do? Everything will become uppercase. Everything will become uppercase. Are you following? Next, S is equal to Python. S is equal to Python. Swap case will convert into what? Small case. Are you following me? Any doubt? No doubt. But some intelligent students, last time one student I found after 10 years, that intelligent student, sir, S is equal to what? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. S is equal to 1, 2, 3. No, he doubt. He asked like this. Of course, it's a very funny doubt. S is equal to what? He came after all the students went out of the class. 1, 2, 3. I asked after this doubt is, he came after everybody went out. And if anybody is there, if asking this question, maybe feeling something different. So yes dot swap case. What is an answer, sir? He asked. So I asked the first question, what is your qualification? He said some qualification. I felt really disappointed on that entire day. So numbers will not have big one, small one, big two, small two. This is not there. Am I correct? So if anybody is having such a type of doubts, There is no mechanism is applied there. S dot what? Print yes student. Now I am going to say 1, 2, 3 will remain in 1, 2, 3 only. Don't get such type of doubts. And one more thing, I only told to that student, special symbols also will not contain big star, big ampersand, small ampersand. The type of doubts will not be there. Only for alphabets only, upper and lower case only will be there. As far as digits is concerned, yeah, Vivek, correct. So coming to the point back, I will go for what? The type of doubts we should not get it. Shall I move forward, students? Now, slowly I am introducing students. Is it easy to understand or not? Compared to part 1, part 2 is just easy for you. What is the next function I will do? Try to understand me, students. S is equal to something like this I am having, Hyderabad. I want to convert S, everything into what? Capital, uppercase I want to convert. For that, there is a function name called what? Upper. Upper of. Spell out. S dot upper of. Which data becomes S dot upper of? If S is containing any smaller letters, that will be converted into what? Upper. Now see that. Now immediately we'll get a doubt. Sir, what is the difference with the swap case? Swap case also doing the same answer. But what is the difference? The difference I am going to show you. Again, HYDE. What is next? RABAD. Are you following? Now you print. Yes, print this upper. Whatever HYDE is there in upper, it remains upper only. Whatever is small, that also will be converted into upper. So see that it is converted. You go for swap case, HYDE capitals will become small and rest of the small will become capital. I hope you understand the difference between swap case and upper. You got it up? Right. Don't think that swap case is for everything. So upper and swap case is completely different. I hope what is the function name now? Upper of. Opposite to that, you can understand immediately lower of. Easy topic. This is easy topic. Come on to the point back. Now I am saying S is equal to what I am writing now? Delhi. I am writing Delhi. So I am writing Delhi here. Something like this I am writing. S dot what I am doing now? Lower of. It is lower becomes lower only. If it is upper everything, if we call upper becomes upper only. Now S is equal to what I am doing now? Delhi. For example, S dot lower, it is converted into what? S is equal to DEL HI. If I say this, it is coming to everything into this. If I call S is equal to like this, S dot what case now? Swap case if I call it, it is becoming small to upper to lower. I hope you are understanding the function name called what? Lower. Are you okay, students? Up to here, okay? What are the functions you learned so far? Capitalize, title, swap case, upper, lower. Easy? Right. Next, I'll go to the another set of functions. Careful. S is equal to, I am writing something like this. Python, I am writing Python. Is it contain alphabets? Or before that. Is it uppercase? Come on. Is it uppercase? Yes. For deciding whether it is an uppercase or lowercase, there is one function is there, students. Is upper. It is a Boolean method centered. Boolean methods means returning true or false. Is upper. Is S contains completely upper data? Yes. What is an answer? True. S is equal to Python here. S dot is upper. False. S is equal to Python. Something capital, something is what? Lower. Answer. False. Very good. So is upper returns true in the case of given data is Given data is upper. If any one of the letter is small, false. Careful, careful. S is equal to Python 3.10. Python 3.10 is upper. Come on. True. 3.10 I already told you. No upper, no lower. Please don't get confused. What is that? True. Now I am saying here. One small n I will write it. Python small n. What is the answer, guys? False. Got it up? No. Now I am writing S is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. S dot is upper. Huh? Do you have uppercase? No. Do you have lowercase? No and no. No and no. No. No means what? Is upper. False. Do you have digits in uppercase? Do you have digits in lowercase? What is the answer now? False. Try to be an intelligent. False. 4 o'clock students, 6 o'clock students, don't feel. Please boost by yourself. Your performance is little lower. Offline students, please come up, bounce. Are you reading daily? Reading daily. Confident you are not reading. Weekly once, 15 days once you are reading, like your academics. It's up to you. Without reading, nothing will understandable. I'm saying without practicing. S is equal to, once again I'm saying, like this I'm saying. Then question adagali kada. I should ask a question. When I say action, you start your action. Without action, if you start your action, it is called. Everything you know except subject. Come on, answer. Right. So be perfect like your other general knowledge. Be perfect in subject knowledge. Now, what is the function name? Come on. Is upper. One more opposite. Is right. Go to the point. Now I am writing. S is equal to Python here. S is equal to Python here. Is lower. Answer. Is upper. Okay. False. In which case is lower and is upper? False. Numbers. Numbers and symbols. 1, 2, 3. Is lower? False. Is upper? False. Understand? So S is equal to, in this case also, Python. Is upper? Is lower? Is upper? False. Are you following? Any doubt? No doubt. Go to that now. One more question. S is equal to space. Is upper? False. Is lower? Why? Space is not containing small space, big space is not there. False only. Do you understand? Okay. Next, I am going to introduce one more thing, because on this there are a lot of examples I am going to tell in the class. Lot of examples I will tell in the class. Okay. Coming to the point back. One more thing. Now I am writing Python. Python. Is S contains only alphabets? Come on. Only alphabets. Yes. Is S contains only alphabets? No. That means your name is called what? Naveen. For example, Naveen. Naveen. If I take a student name Naveen, Naveen should contain only alphabets. Should not contain any numerics, should not contain. If I write 1, 2, 3, Naveen 1, 2, 3, it is called what? Not a name. If I write only name like that, it is called what? Name. Is it alphabets are containing? No. To test it whether it is containing only alphabets or not, there is a function called what? S dot is alpha. Spell out. Is alpha. Is alpha returns true. Is alpha returns true provided S purely contains what? Alphabets. Is alpha returns true when purely S contains what? Alphabets. See students, answer is what? True. Now I am writing Yes, Naveen 1, 2, 3. I am writing. Is alpha? False. Now I am writing Naveen Kumar. I am writing Naveen Kumar. What is this answer now? Huh? True, false, false, true, false, true. So what is this now? Space is there or not? Is space is an alpha? Come on, students, be intelligent. Purely alphabets must be there. Is it a purely alphabet? Now what is an answer? False. S is equal to 1, 2, 3. False. S is equal to something like this. I am writing A, B, C. Like this I am writing. Come on. False. So is alpha returns true in the case of what only? In the case of what only? Purely alphabets. Should not contain any other than alphabets. Other than alphabets contains returns false. Okay now? So I will move to the further. Next I will move to the one more requirement. S is equal to 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I want to decide whether my string contains only digits or not. Is S contains only digits? Come on. So how do you decide it is alpha or not? By function called what? Now you only tell me. Yes, sir. Dot is digit. Is digit. This returns true provided when S is containing purely what? Digits. Purely containing digits. Other than digits, if anything is present, returns what? False. Come on, now answer is, come on, true. S is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9. Come on, answer is what? True. Now I will write it now. Python 310. Python 310. False. Why false? Some alphabet is there. Right? Good. Now very complicated question. Very complicated question. 13.45. Sure. Sure? True now? Good. Why false? Because the dot. Because this is very important. Dot. So dot. Dot is called what? One special symbol. It is also called what? False. People think that it is a float value. It is not a float. String float it is called. Following students? Now. Okay. What is the function you understood? What is the function you understood? Is digit of. Is digit of. You understood. Returns true in the case of what? Pure digits. Okay. Next, 10th function I am going to talk. Very, very important. Okay, students. S is equal to Python 311. What is this one actually? Alpha. Very good. Why it is alphanumeric? Some letters are there, some digits are there. That's why it is known as what? Alphanumeric. When only alphabets are there, what is the function you have taken? When only digits are there, what is the function? Now tell me without my help. What is the function name? Yes, sir. Dot. What is the function name? Is alpha numeric. Is alpha numeric. It is a big in length now. Can you shortcut? Is alpha shortcut AL. Numeric shortcut NUM. What is the function name? Is ALNUM. Spell out. Is ALNUM. Stands for what? Is alpha numeric. Answer is what? True. In the case of what? It returns true in the case of 3 situations. Number 1, pure alphabets are there, it will return because alpha ALNUM is a combination of 2. When pure alphabets are there, returns true. When pure numbers are there in the string format, when next is what? Alphabets plus what? Numbers are there. These 3 times returns what? True. Other than these 3, anything is containing returns what? False. Check it out. This is containing both of them. S is equal to what I am writing? Only Python I will write it. S dot is ALNUM. True. Now I will write it. S is equal to what here? Answer is what? True. Are you following me? Now, S is equal to Python 3.11, 3.11. Come on. Why false, guys? There is a dot is there. Most important. Now I will write it. Now I will write it. Now I am saying Python language 3.11. Come on. Why false, students? Space is there or not? That's why it is called like this. Understand? Okay. S is equal to, okay, you are understanding. You got everything. 1, 2, 3 underscore Python underscore 10. Answer. Okay. False. S is equal to Python $1, 2, 3. Huh? Okay, good. So what is the function name? Is ALNUM. Is ALNUM. Okay, good. Now I am going to take up 11th function. I am going to come. These are all called what? Various functions. Will you remember all of them? How many functions I said? 10. Can you tell me one by one? No, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Don't make it as fishy market here. So number 1, capitalize title stuff. Capitalize of that bracket indicates of. Spell out capitalize of, title of, top case of, upper of, lower of, is upper of, is lower of, is alpha of, is digit of, is ALNUM of, is ALNUM of. Whether you said or not, I don't know, but sound came. Overall picture is sound also came. Shall I move forward? Now, go to the next kind of thing. You see, students, S is equal to, I am taking most important case. I am saying Python is an OOP language. Very important. This is one sentence, right, students? This is one sentence. LN of S will give you what? Number of characters, right? Number of characters. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Space also counted. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 means what? 0 to 20 means 21 will come. 21 will come. 0 to 20 means 21. Understand? The 21 is called what? Number of characters in a sentence. But my requirement is I want to find the number of words in the sentence. Number of words. Python is an OOP lang. I want the words in the string. Words in the sentence. Words. Are you following? Python is an OOP lang. I want to count the number of words in the string. How do you do that? I have to apply the function name called what? Split off. Spell out, ma. Split. Splitting means what? Break it. Break the sentence into different pieces. To split it, how can I count that Python is one word, is one word, an is one word, OOP another word, lang is one word? What is the separator? Space now. That separator is known as what? Delimiter we can call. Spell out, ma. Delimiter. Delimiter we can call. So I am going to use the word called split. What is the function name now? Split off. I am using split off. What is the split off function is doing? S dot split off. The split function takes the sentence of yes and it is going to return number of words. That words I am holding into the left side variable. That left side variable is of which type? List type. Which type? List type. See that? You can write it directly. S dot split off. You can say. See that what is coming? It is coming into which format? list Python is an S, like this it is coming. You can write like this also, students. See that X is equal to, come on mom, S dot what? Split off. Print off what here? X comma type of what? X. So I got it. X is which type? It is a matter of writing ln of X. Is it not called 5 words are available? 5 words are available here. Are you following me? Right. If you want to get it, all the words length, if you want to get it, for what I want to get it, word in where, L, X, print of what I can say, word comma, what I will do, ln of word I can write it. Don't worry about that for and all. Python 6 is to and to OOP to lang 4. The very, very easy question. Write a Python program which will accept a line of text and find how many words are there and find the length of each word. That type of complicated questions will come in front of you. Are you following? So that examples I'll tell you. Don't worry about the for loop. We are going to see very shortly that kind of thing. What is the function name now? One more I will write it. S is equal to apple is in red. I am writing something like this. Say this now. Split it. How do you split? S dot what? Split off. S dot split. Are you getting or not? Now, so I will write it. One more thing. Python is also functional programming language. Any big sentence is there, I can split it. It is going to be like this. What the default splitter here? Space. These are called space separated words we can call. Spell out. Space separated words, these are called. Shall I move forward? Right. What is my first function here? Split off. Okay. Now next, I'm going to take up. Next, another variety of split. S is equal to today's date, I will take it 14/04/2023. Okay, now I want to print S. S is printed naturally like that. Now I want to split it. How do you split? What is the separator here? Hyphen is a separator. Here, what is the separator here? Space. So default separator is what? Space. But here, what is the separator? Hyphen. Please tell me, how do you split it now? X or directly? Yes, sir. Dot split off. You need to pass the splitter here. Splitting parameter. What is the splitting parameter here? Hyphen. So split function will split the data of S based on the delimiter which you are passing. What is the delimiter here? Hyphen. See the answer, students. 14/04 and this one. Are you following? Print. What I am saying? Day is equal to comma. What I am doing? Of course, I will do like this, student. Keep it in where? X. Preserve in X. Print off. What I am doing? Day is equal to X of what? 0. X of 0. Is the 14 coming or not? Next, what I am doing? Month is equal to what I am doing? 1, 4. Next is called what, student? Year. Year is equal to what? 2. You got it. You can say in another way also. What is that now? -3. -3. Negative indexing. Next is called what? Month. What is this now? -2. Like this. Next is called what here? Year. Year I will say. What is this now? -1. Year also I got it or not? What is the splitter here? Hyphen. Hyphen separated words. Last and final. S is equal to apple. Apple. Hash. So I am writing like this. Banana. Next I am writing kiwi. Next I am writing here mango. I want to split it. Come on. I will go for S dot split of what? Hash. Hash. So I am writing here hash. Print what, students? X. What is this now? Getting like this. Follow? Now, I will write it like this, students. Like this I am writing. See? I am writing like this. Apple, banana, kiwi, and mango. What is your separator? It is your own chance is there to split it. It is your own chance. You want hash separated words or slash separated words? And don't get it out. Both of them want to separate. It is not possible to start both of them. There is no syntax is available to start like this. There is no such syntax, students. Like this only you need to start. Are you getting my point? So how I am doing? S dot split off like this. What is the first word? Apple is one word. Next, banana and kiwi is one thing because it is a separated with that. Mango is called another one. See that now? Print this X. Are you getting or not? Getting. Then how do you do now? I want to go for what? This I want to split it. How do you split it now? X of 1 dot split of what? Slash. You can do like this. This is also can be possible. Y you can say. Y is also one more list or not? Say Y. Are you getting that point or not? Yes. Like that, you can do it. Are you following me? Now, if at all you want to place it here, apply your knowledge. What is that? X of 1 is equal to Y of 0. Are you following? X of 0, X of 1 is equal to Y of what? 0. See that. Print X. Is it banana, kiwi place, banana placed or not? After banana, I want to place what? Y of 1, I want to place it. How do you do that? Insert. Already told you. Without functions, if you don't know, you cannot do anything else. Come on. X dot insert of 0, 1, 2. 2 comma what? Y of 1. Y of 1. Y of 1. Print X. I got it, banana, kiwi, etc. For all these things, you must be remembering what? Functions. Without remembering functions, you can't do anything else. Only reading theory. What happens? 21 years, no knowledge. Future is question mark. From now onwards, keep our body under our control. Try to work on the programming, which I am explaining. Are you following the split function? Now. So, split function, one more is there. Split function of what? Delimiter I passed it. Delimiter. Because I am not going to tell you only theory like your 21 years education. We want to go for purely practical line only. That is your career in the industry. Now, are you following? Will you remember all of them? Right. Now I am going to introduce C. Coming to the back. C is equal to Python is an OOP language. Print of what? Split you say. S dot what? Split. S dot split I am saying. S dot split. So, print what here? X. So, what I got it? Sentence, split it into what? Words. Right or not? Sentence, split it into what? Words. Now, words I want to join into what? Sentence. Words are there now. I want to join as a sentence. Opposite. Sentence become words. Words will become yes. Now I will take it. See, students, K is equal to some list of words I took it. Print of what here? K comma type of K. What is this now? List of words. Now I want to join. There is a function called join. Spell out join. Split is sentence is broken into pieces. Pieces are joined and become sentence. How do you do that now? I will write it. Some word dot join. You have to join with some existing or not. So I suppose, for example, I am writing H dot. H is some variable. What is H? One variable. What variable you need to tell? H dot join of what? K. That means each word of this K is joining with H. My PVM is asking what is H? What is H? H is one of the variable. It should be initialized with some space. If you use it directly, you will get error. What is that? Name error will come. So what is H can be? str. Why str? It is an empty. H is equal to, I am writing with a little space. Why little space? Now you see. Come to the K. Come to the K. Type of K. Now you join. H dot join of K. Each word of K joined with what? Space. Joining, joining, joining. It is joined. And the final result you keep it in where? H itself. So I have to write H is equal to, I need to write. Joining, 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 students. Final answer should be placed in left side variable or not. Suppose if I don't keep it into left side variable, only space is printed. Only space is printed. What is printed here? Python is an object oriented. You got an answer. Print H now. Print H now. Everybody will think that Python is an object oriented. It will print. But you see what is printed? Space is printed. H you print. Space is printed. What is my answer? Whatever you joined it, keep it in the left side variable or not? Last and final now. What is this now? H is equal to space. This is my K. And do what? H is equal to. Now print what here? H you see. This is my sentence. Is the most important example in out of all these functions. Is it clear? So join function is an important. Join function is used for what purpose? And 13th function is called what? Join function. After that, some more functions I will teach in the further. Join function is used for what? Joining list of words into sentence. Sentence can be split into words by using which function? Split function. Are you following? Later, further, I will tell you some more functions will come. What is the function? Decoding techniques, encoding mechanism, next trim mechanism, trim mechanism, then starts with, ends with. These are the next episode level. I will tell you this. These things I will tell in the further. Decoding, encoding, these things I will tell in the further. Some more functions are there that I will tell you in the further. And this entire description I will give you in the form of one documentation, student. In the form of one documentation I will give you. So let me show you string handling part 2. One small document is there instead of typing, because you already almost understand. Whatever is explained, I am writing in the form of what? Sentence. Like our notes, how do you write it? Title, example, syntax, all those things written here. And one more thing, there is one more function called index. I'll tell you that. And here it is, example is also there. Upper function is there. And the lower function is available. Is upper function, is lower function, is alpha, is digit, is ALNUM, is space, next split function with all these example. Join function is also there. These many functions are available. These many functions are available. I hope you are following me. Are you following, students? One more small example. S is equal to what here? Python. Print of what here? Yes. S of 0. S dot. Index of. I am passing P. What is the index of P? 0. What is the index of O? 1. Index of O 1 antadi. Myself is getting so much tense. How to teach in the further end? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. So coming to the point of it, here, for example, it is giving unique letters, unique indexes are coming. So I am writing here apple. For example, what I am writing now? A I am writing. How many A? Only one A is there. 0 index is coming. If I pass capital P, what is the index will come? 1 will come. It won't give you what? Next index will not be given. That is only one occurrence index only. How to get the further indexes? There is one function is there. Counter function is available. Counter function is available. That I will explain to you separately. Right? That are all exercise in my class. Because after this string handling is over, we are entering into looping concept we are entering. So that we will discuss in tomorrow only. So tomorrow is a Saturday. You have a lot of works outside. Tomorrow I am going to start most important topic, that is called flow control statements. I am going to explain. Flow control. Beginning only I am telling students. Flow control statements I am explaining. This will take 10 days. It is a continuous topic. And tomorrow introduction class, if you become absent, Monday you can see the stars in the day, stars in the class. And once this is not understanding, you can almost stop coming to the classes and no use of attending further, because this will build your logic. This you build your logic. So unfortunately it came on Saturday, and that I am going to explain tomorrow. I am going to start which concept? Flow control statements I will start tomorrow class. Okay, now this document I will upload in the class. So somebody is asking, Karthik Mani is asking, sir, will you teach WOOPS concept? Because students will think their background of 21 years education. This is one of the very much perfect branded for everything. My dear student, Karthik Mani, you see once what is my WOOPS. By listening this WOOPS, your mind will blank. So see that how much index is there. WOOPS I will explain almost 11 days in my class. Nobody can enter into that much deep. No internet website will give you that much. Right? To reach to the see my index only. Index only you see. Index only you see how much is there. And the WOOPS which you learned already, that is called waste. So Mani, I hope you are understanding. We'll discuss everything in the class. Only your presence of mind is required. I'll stop class, students. Tomorrow class, I'll start what? Flow control statements, which are most important. Don't become absent. If we become absent, not understanding, we can't do anything else. Thank you. All the best.